Don't buy that new battery just yet. Make sure you test it with TOPDON. This is the BT200 battery checker. This tests the battery, the charging system, and the cranking system. It also lets you review your data, and you can change different languages if you wanted to. This works on 12 and 24 volt batteries. You can use this on your cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, motorcycles, etc. This goes from 100 to 2,000 cold cranking amps, and I'm going to show you how to use this. Right off the bat, we're going to do a battery test. So we'll just check our battery. We got a regular flooded battery right here, but we could also do AGM, gel, and EFB if we wanted to. We'll set our cold cranking amps. We got 550 set right now. This is a 550 cold cranking amp battery. We hit the enter button, and right off the bat, she's going to test it as shown. Now give it a second or two, and you'll see it test. Now this battery is going to come back good. We are at 72% health. 468 cold cranking amps left in this battery. We got a charge rate of 65%, 12.39 volts. Not bad at all. This is a good battery. You don't have to run to the store and get a new one. I can throw a slow charger on this and bring it back up to 100% charge if I wanted to. It's to be expected. It's been all winter, and I did not have this on a trickle charger. All right, so now we're going to do a cranking test. Hit the enter button. It's going to say, please start the engine. It determined that the engine was started and it's cranking normal. Cranking time was 22.46 milliseconds at 10.44 volts to start. Not bad at all. We can hit the exit button to go back. We can do a charging test. Please start the engine, press enter. We already started the engine, so we're going to shut it off and restart it. Press the enter button. And there it is. There's a ripple test right there. As you can see, 13, 14 volts. Now we're going to do the charging test. Increase speed to 25 volts for 5 seconds, and then press enter to continue. Button. Charging is normal at 13.98 volts, so our alternator is good. Not bad at all. We can even review our data, everything we just did. There's our battery test, there's our charging test, and there's our cranking test. Not bad. Definitely a great tool to have in the box. You don't have to deal with the guesswork. You don't have to run to the parts store anymore and have them do it. If you guys want, they're on a great sale, and I got a link to it in the video. That link's still there. Check it out for a run of stock. Get yourself one. Most appreciate it. This video like, you follow for more great deals.